So for one thing, there's 3D printing everywhere. So I'm happy to say we're one of the companies that doesn't have a 3D printer on our booth. But it's been interesting because we've had several people that had come out that are interested in that front end of the engineering part of the cycle of the manufacturing. And we're very good at doing safety critical systems, so things that have a lot of process, that have a lot of rigor, and things that have to be designed for safety criticality in their manufacturing process. So we've had some interest in that space, and it's been worthwhile. So we've also had, actually, ironically, I didn't really see this as a benefit in booking this show, but we've had other people that have come up that have been helping us actually in staffing. We actually have a need for engineers right now. They're having trouble fulfilling, and there's been several staffing organizations that we've connected with that might help us fill those needs. So actually what we found out is that unfortunately for Michigan, when the automotive industry kind of hit rock bottom, a lot of the engineers and manufacturers left Michigan. And so we've had a hard time actually finding qualified, experienced engineers. Now, new grads is great. Actually, Michigan has great universities, great colleges, and we're very well plugged into that community. So we have a lot of fresh graduates that are coming out that we just love, and they're fantastic. But we're a little bit weak then on the upper end of people that have more experience. So that's where we're having the most trouble. The best luck that we're having is when we find people that left Michigan but want to come back. And so we've been trying to reach out nationally to other states where people have left but want to come back to Michigan. But we're actually looking at other companies to maybe help us, because we're kind of running the well dry, if you will. So networking, actually, for me, even if we don't necessarily book a particular job, I've found that just being a part of this community, I want to plug into the ecosystem here, if you will, for manufacturing and engineering and design. I found that if I become part of the community and I'm known as a regular, that really helps, makes business connections, and eventually work comes along. I have this joke, if I just keep showing up, eventually I'm going to get work out of it. And I really honestly think that's true. So.